Hi everyone, it's time to make some lunch. I'm gonna do something super simple because it's hot, but I got my kitchen set up, ready to cook something, and it's not gonna be something super intensive. I have these mini pizzas that I've gotten before, throw some mushrooms on them, and call it a day. While I was preparing the mini pizzas, I have this Dutch oven heating up on low heat, so it heats up evenly and has heat all over. And we're gonna put the pizzas in there for 10 minutes and see how they come out. Pizzas are ready. Look at that. Check out this video up here if you want to see more van life coolness, and I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this awesome pizza with a little bit of beer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.